PJ9445. Her name is Charity G. Tenesa, 23 years old, single. Had a short course for the reason that she didn't continue her course as hotel and restaurant management. She worked here in the Philippines as locally made for 2 years. This is PJ9445. Will you please introduce yourself?
I am Charity Tenesa, 23 years old. I am single and I live in Banda, Ilocos Norte. My parents are Mr. and Mrs. Elvis Tenesa.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to earn money for my future and to support my parents.
Do you have any overseas experience?
No, sir.
But you have a locally experience here in the Philippines, right?
Yes, sir.
How many years?
2 years, sir.
What then your duties and responsibilities during that time?
Cleaning, cooking, marketing, and childcare, sir.
You mentioned that you know how to cook. Yes?
Sir.
What kind of dish?
Western food and Filipino. For Western food, spaghetti, sir. For Filipino food, adobo, sir.
How about in Chinese food? Do you have an experience?
No, sir, but I am willing to learn.
Very good. How about in taking care of children? Do you have an experience too?
Yes, sir.
So what then your duties and responsibilities in taking care of children?
I feed the baby, changing diaper, and taking about the baby, sir.
What will you do if the baby is crying?
Feed milk, sir.
So you feed milk.
Yes, sir.
Are you going to check also the diaper of the baby? Maybe the diaper is wet?
Yes, sir, and I will check if it was sick.
Okay. How about in taking care of elderly? Do you have an experience?
Yes, sir.
To whom?
Grandparents.
Your grandparents.
Yes, sir.
So what then the common activity that you are doing with your grandparents?
Assist them in taking a bath and give them food and meals. Food and medicine, sir.
Okay, very good. Why do you think that you are a suitable domestic helper?
Because I am patient person, hardworking, and honest, sir.
Any message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please choose me because I am hardworking, God-fearing, patient, and I promise to finish my contract. Thank you.